Now the security light should eventually go off. The car won't start until this light stops blinking. Right now the computer is learning the Passlock sensor value inside the ignition switch. So we'll have to give it a few minutes here. Does that feel better? Are you getting hot?
Yeah, but this water's warm.
I know, sure is.
We need to put in the fridge and hold.
You put it in the fridge?
Yeah, in our house.
Okay. A few more minutes, okay? Where are you going?
Nothing. Stretching.
Okay. It's only been 5 minutes here, so we gotta wait another 5 minutes or so. 3:54. Alright, we'll wait for a couple more minutes.
You're right.
Do you want to get out?
No.
Okay. Should we open this door? Just a few more minutes, okay? Actually, wanna can you grab that door and close it, or at least just close it enough so I can grab it and close it. Watch your fingers.
Can't do it.
Okay, I'll take care of it. Don't worry about it.
What I think.
Here, why don't you step out?
Why?
So you don't fall. Step out. Close the door. If you want, you can come around by me too.
Sure. But and then I'm gonna come back in the seat.
Okay, that sounds good.
No bidding. No easy.
Just close a little bit, not all the way.
Why?
Just a little bit. 2 hands.
Like that?
Yep, keep going. Keep going. 2 hands. Keep going. It'll close.
Can't do it.
Alright, don't worry about it. I'll take care of it.
I want to take care of it.
You gotta put some muscle into it.
Muscle? Like that?
Yeah. Alright, watch your fingers. Alright, perfect. Alright, come on in. No, you just had it.
Well, I don't know how to do it.
Alright, just forget it.
Well, you do it.
Okay. Alright, why don't you come in on the passenger side, and I'll close the door. No, come around the other side, the passenger side. Come over here. You can come in this side.
Now what?
Just leave it.
Oh, I want to close it.
There it is. Stop blinking. 10-minute mark. And it's off. Voila. Bet you it'll start. Here we go. 10-minute relearn procedure. There you have it. Now we're back in business. You excited? Should we go in?
Yeah.
Okay.